First off, guys, I'd like to thank Kev Jumba. If you guys don't know him, he's an old school YouTuber. He used to do these kind of music intros all the time. And I just got inspired, and I think he does really cool stuff. He doesn't do YouTube anymore, but he does still have his videos on his channels. So if you want to check him out, it's Kev Jumba. Okay? Really cool stuff. Now, if you guys don't know me, which you probably don't, I'm a junior software developer in Canada. And I just want to tell you guys about how it feels to be a junior developer, what the experience is like. I just graduated about 2 years ago from the university, and yeah, let's go. So yeah, I've been working as a junior developer for about 2 years now, and it's not that long, but I have acquired a little bit of experience here and there. I definitely think that there's always room to improve and just learn, whether that's self-empowerment, maybe your company pushes you to learn more, or whatever. As long as you're learning, that's great. I've been taking some Udemy classes about JavaScript, a little bit of Java as well, just to learn more about it, because sometimes you can't learn all of it at work and they don't get through all the concepts. So yeah, just do it at home. So I've been working for my current company for about 3 months and the previous company for about a year and a bit. So, just shy of 2 years. And that's why I'm a junior developer. I'm not an intermediate. I'm not a senior. I'm not, one of those code gods that you So there's 3 things I want to say in this video, specifically during this pandemic season when everyone's at home. This applies a lot more. So the first thing is that everyone works from home now, so it's work from home and have the days just blend together. So my project manager told me something, and I thought it was only a day ago, but it's actually been almost 3 weeks. Yeah, time just blends together when you're at home all the time. These walls here are protecting me, but also causing me to go crazy, okay? Every day I wake up in this room, I come sit on the computer, and I do the same thing day in, day out. Work and life just kind of mix in together, so it becomes one. And you don't know when you're on or off work. It just feels like you're alive, which is good, right? But yes, COVID season is taking over all of our lives, and there is no way we can leave the house, which is really terrible. So you miss half the fun at the office. Everything is at the office: the ping pong table, the foosball table, the Nerf guns, the swords. I don't know about the swords actually, but yeah, everything's at the office and we're missing out. This is really, really sad. I just miss all the culture there, the fun that we have, the bantering, and just being able to talk to your coworkers who sit right across from you or right beside you is so helpful. I think it's hard for especially junior developers to learn new concepts or just be able to grasp the code base if your senior developers aren't right beside you. And it's not as easy to get questions answered across Slack or whatever else you use. I guess everything is more self-empowering now because I have to push myself more to get things done, even though it takes longer. So I'm doing more, but it looks like I'm doing less because I'm trying to understand stuff. And that's why it takes a long time. Like, I'm trying to work here, okay? I'm trying to get stuff done, but it just doesn't look like I'm getting stuff done. I swear I'm working. I swear, okay? Secretly I think the senior developers might think I'm just actually really stupid and I'm taking all the time in the world to finish something really small. But, they're not wrong. They're not wrong. But yeah, right now it's just hard to communicate ideas and get things across just because of what's going on. And it's hard to talk to your coworkers and get the response instantly. Sometimes people are in meetings and you don't even know about it, and then 3 hours go by and they finally answer. So yeah, it can be really hard to get things across. And as a junior developer, I found it a little bit difficult. I still find it difficult to get things answered and really be able to focus and zoom my mind into one task. I find myself, if I have to wait for something to get answered, it would have to be work on something, wait for an answer, and during that time jump to something else, and then wait for an answer from there and jump somewhere else and then come back. It just really fragments your mind and it's really difficult to, I guess, grasp things and learn things coherently in one session. I imagine it would be a lot better when there's office space for us to all work in and collaborate and just get things across as quickly as possible. I remember working on this one ticket and it took me over, 5 hours to get it done, even though if it was in the office, it'd probably only take 30 minutes. So things can be a little less efficient, but I'm not saying for everyone that's the same case. There could be cases where the communication is still really good, and I think that is really important. I just think there could be improvement, and as a junior developer, to be able to get to that next level, you have to work on that communication. Yeah, the second thing I want to talk about is just trying to focus and stay focused for a long period of time. Not only about the questions thing I was talking about earlier, but now just not wasting your time with other things. I have to admit, sometimes I do use Reddit and just read some Reddit. Yeah, that's me, and that's really bad. But I'm sure if I went to the office and worked, I am way more productive, and I feel like I can get more stuff done. Just being at home is, I would say, too comfortable, with air quotes, but it can never be too comfortable, right? You can always try to do something and see if you can do it. I've been using time management apps that I think I don't know, it's like Pomelo or Pomelo. I'm not sure what it's called. It's the time where you can do 25 minutes of work and then 5 minutes break. So I've been trying that out, and that's been working pretty well. But in general, that can still happen, just where you slack off for a little bit and then come back. So if you guys have that problem, don't think you're alone. I've been trying to work on that a lot, and I do try to go to the office once every week if that's possible, just to get that one day of focus in and get all the work I needed done. Usually it's a Friday when it's about that last day, and I want to wrap things up before the weekend so I can have a good weekend and not feel stressed about finishing or not finishing something, and then my manager coming in and breaking down my door and telling me to take my nap. But yeah, I think in these circumstances, people do understand what's going on, and if you do slack off a little bit, it is what it is. Just try to stay focused, and that's what I'm trying to do. Make sure I get my stuff done on time, and get that one Friday in where I go to the office and grind everything out. Okay, the last thing is just feeling a little bit lonely, Not saying like, oh, I can't see my coworkers lonely, but it's more like you miss the culture of the company, because half the fun is the office. Like I said, we have happy hours once in a while just to keep everyone talking and keep the social going on. The social? What? Yeah, just to keep people talking and have that conversation going. It's really nice. I think it's really helping with keeping the bond, the co-workerness, just keeping it up. And I think that's really great. I think every company is trying to keep that up, but it's not always really easy because people are still distant, and that's just how it is. As a junior developer, you will feel some of that. You'll feel a little bit of the missing the fun. And so if you're looking for an internship even, or you actually have landed an internship, you might get like a half experience with the company. It's just not the same if you're in the office or not. You'll get a whole different camaraderie, different energy, atmosphere, having people beside you you can pull aside, and just being able to get ideas off each other and bounce them off right away, rather than, oh, let me just message you and get 10 hours to come back. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's the 3 things I wanted to kind of talk about in this 2020 weirdness year. And as a junior developer, how does it feel for me to be in the workforce, and just what it's like. It's super different from what's going on from every other year. It's very different, and I just want to share with you guys. I hope it helps someone out there with anything. If you do like the video, thanks. I thank you for the view. You can like it if you want. I appreciate any view, and have a good day.